Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you the fastest way to fit exactly 4 flyers onto a single page in Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in. First, open your blank Word document. Before adding any text or images, we need a layout guide. Go to the View tab at the top of your screen and check the box next to gridlines. A grid will appear on your page. Don't worry, this won't print out. It just helps us align everything perfectly within the page margins. Now let's create the space for our first flyer. Go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and select the Text Box tool. Click and drag to draw a rectangle in the top left quadrant of your grid. Adjust the size to fit that corner exactly how you want it. Here is the secret to doing this quickly. You don't need to draw the rest of the boxes manually. Simply click on the text box you just created and press Ctrl D on your keyboard. This instantly duplicates the box. Drag this new text box into the top right quadrant using the grid lines to line it up perfectly with the first one. Now just repeat this process twice more. Press Ctrl D and drag the third box to the bottom left. Then press Ctrl D one last time to place the fourth box in the bottom right. You now have 4 perfectly aligned spaces. Click into each text box to type your text, insert your images, and build your flyer design. Once your flyers look exactly how you want them, head back up to the View tab and uncheck the grid lines box to reveal your clean final page. You are now ready to print 4 identical flyers on a single sheet of paper. If this tip saved you time, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward software tutorials. Thanks for watching.